How to log in or sign in to your Hulu account. So let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser on your desktop and in the search address bar type down Hulu. Now, simply tap on the first option shown there on the Google and visit hulu.com official website of Hulu. You will be simply navigated to the login page. Now, what you have to do is type in your email address associated with your Hulu or Disney Plus account. And once you do so, tap on the continue option available there. Then you'll be navigated to enter the password associated with your Hulu or Disney Plus account. Or if you simply forgot your password, then click forgot your password to reset it. Then press the login button to access your account. By following these steps, you should have no trouble logging into your Hulu account on any device. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.